Hey my beautifuls, it's me Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my BOXYCHARM box for June 2019. Very excited to share with you guys what is in the BOXYCHARM box for June 2019. I am just so excited because I already took a peek in this box like I always do. But there are some pretty good products for this month, and I'm very excited to share with you guys. So, we're going to open this up. I'm going to give you a little sneaky peek. Here we go. Amazing. I'm so excited. So let me get the card. So the theme for this box is BOXYCHARM Getaway. I love this. This is so cute. I love the pink stripes, Victoria's Secret vibes stripes. And it has these really cool kind of sagey green leaf tone. I love the colors of like the green and the pink together and the white. So amazing. I love it. And then in the back of the card has all of the products and information and pricing. So that's what I'll be going off of, just so I could tell you guys more about the products. So yeah, I'm really excited. Okay, so the first product in this box is from Tarte. It is a Tarte eyeshadow palette. This is the Tarte BU Naturally eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $36. I got a Tarte palette. I think it was, what was it from their Rainforest collection, I think, a couple months back, and it was like one of these like round pans. So this is the packaging it comes in, and then this is what the round little pan looks like. So it just has like some palm trees, and then yeah, some little palm leaves. They're like this turquoisey blue, and then the background's like purple, and the packaging's like all gold, and it has the names of the shades on the back. Hi, Rosewine. Okay, so not to blind you guys, I'm gonna cover the mirror, but these are the shades. There are some like pinky tones and just very kind of neutral kind of brown tones and some champagnes. I am not going to swatch this because I have swatched a previous pan palette like this, and I will say Tarte shadows in this pan formula, they don't swatch that great, I have noticed. And like, since I'm like very light tone and pale, it looks like it just blends into my skin or just washes away. But eyeshadows always look better kind of like packed on the lids anyway. So these are the shades that are in here. I actually like this little mixed tone. It seems very nice. Like you could get some pretty good pinky tone or neutral champagne tone looks. I like that there's like some mattes and we have shimmers in here. So there is, I think, enough to complete a full look. And it definitely has the colors that I definitely do like to use on my eyes. The pinky tone blushes. And then there's like the browns and neutral colors that I would need to use as a transition or to put into the crease. Alright, the next product is actually something I'm very excited for. Now, this is from Touch in Sol. If you remember, we got in a previous BOXYCHARM box that I unboxed, we had the original looking No Poreblem primer, which was like in a little glass jar, and it was like a little silicone primer. They now have the No Poreblem, that's from Touch in Sol. They have the No Poreblem Prime Essence that has I don't even know. Calendula flower extract in here. It's very hard to pronounce these certain terms because I never actually heard of this stuff before. But it has this flower extract in here that tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky and smooth to apply. And this retails for $23. So this is much of a different primer. This is in more of like a squeezy tube, like so. And it's so cool. I like the packaging. I love the pink and the white. And then the bottom is so cool. It has this really cool dropper looking type of thing. Something that you would kind of see something similar like on like oils. But it looks just like a clear water. It's like a clear water primer. And then you could just blend it into the skin. It smells actually really decent and it's like kind of fresh smelling. It's not like an overpowering floral scent, which is that if you know, because some people are sensitive to like floral smells. It's not overpowering. It's a very subtle, very light freshness. Oh, but it seems like it sinks into the skin very well, and it seems kind of very nice and soft and smooth. I'm feeling it on my hand here. I am very excited to try this. I think this is probably great for the summer because it's more of like a water-esque primer, so it might sink into the skin faster instead of like something that has more of like a silicone type of base. So I'm really excited to try this out. Very excited to try that. So I do enjoy using the original primer that is the silicone base. I'm actually like halfway gone with that bottle. So I've been using that since I've gotten it, and it's been amazing. I've been liking it. It makes my foundation stay on. Everything has been staying on intact, and nothing smears or smudges. Like, I have even cried with it on, and it has not smudged. So it's a good primer. So I'm really excited to see how this one stands up to it. So excited for this one. Right, we now have a lip product, and this is from Dominique Cosmetics. I have heard such great things about Dominique Cosmetics. I don't watch her videos or anything or have any of her products, but I've heard such nice things about her. And so I'm really excited to try a product out from her. I love her packaging. I love this pinky kind of watercolor-esque packaging that's like has gold for her name and the packaging outlining. So cool. So this is her lemonade lip gloss, and I got mine in the shade Peach Tea. And these retail for $17. You can never go wrong with a lip gloss. Like, my favorite lip glosses are definitely from ColourPop. I own a couple of those, and I really like the formula of those, so I'm really excited to give this a try. This is in the shade, like I said, Peach Tea, I said. Right? I said Peach Tea. Yeah. I like this color. This is definitely a color I would wear. I love the packaging. Oh my gosh. There's like this glare, but it's like a clear glass with like a pink lid and like gold lettering. This is so aesthetically pleasing, I will say. So great job to Dominique. She's amazing. And then these smell like a lip smacker to me. Like those lip smacker glosses. Do you guys remember lip smacker glosses? Like, they used to have all these different scented lip smackers. I'm probably sure they still sell them. Oh, and it's a doe foot applicator, in case anybody was wondering. But I used to when I was little. I was like a big, huge collector of lip smacker, like lip glosses. Like, every time I went to like CVS or something, I got like, I was trying to like collect every single scent that they had. There was like cotton candy, strawberry, watermelon, lemonade. There was even kiwi, strawberry kiwi at one point. Like, I was trying to collect them all at one point when I was little. Like, I had like such a huge stash of them. And like, you know, each, and they were just like clear, but they were all scented. They were all different scents. So I was like, what am I doing? I don't know what I was doing when I was little. I just thought they were so cool to collect. But, these almost smell like a lip smacker to me, like the undertone base of what a lip smacker gloss is supposed to smell like, even though they're clear and they're just like have like a scent put into them. But the coloring is perfect. Definitely my peachy pink tone color. These are so cool. I'm definitely gonna try this out for the summer. This is definitely a great summery color, especially if you like lip glosses. Then you definitely will like this more than like lipstick if you're not like a fan of that. But I am very, very happy with this lip gloss. Alright, okay, I'm excited for this because I have heard so many great things about this tanning brand. I see it all over my favorite YouTubers talking about this. This is from St. Tropez. This is their Self-Tan Classic. It's for a natural looking tan bronzing mousse. This is retails for $24.50. And so this is what it looks like. This looks like a decent, I think, travel size bottle. I have heard such great things about it. Plus, they even gave us the mitt to use with it. So here's what it looks like. It's in the classic, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a pretty good coloring match since I am very pale. Here's the thing, I don't really go out during the summer that much, but when I do, I end up looking like a sunburnt person. Like, I don't tan very well, or I don't really know if I tan that much. But, since I don't go out hardly any much, going outside, maybe this will be a very nice kind of looking. So I don't look pale, like, all year long, because that's probably not, like, a good look. I always look so pale, and everybody's like, so pale during the summer. So it even comes with the mitt, which is amazing. So very excited about that. So you can apply this evenly onto the skin. So I'm really excited about trying this. But I have heard this is like very much like talked about tanning, you know, self-tanner. I don't believe in tanning beds or anything. I don't believe in that. But I'm always excited to hear about like a really good self-tanner that I can do at home. I don't have to pay a lot of money to go and get a bottle of tanning stuff. But this looks really cool, and I'm excited to try this out. So this might work for me. So I would definitely look out and trying this out. But really excited that they gave us the mitt as well. So really excited. Now the last thing is from Dirty Little Secret, which I have gotten a couple of things, either from Ipsy bags, and now in this. I'm actually excited because I like this lip liner. It's a lip liner, so this might match. It might be a little too dark for the lip gloss, or maybe it's or I could probably try and pair it with that. But this is definitely a color up my alley that looks like it might match the color that I'm wearing. I'm actually wearing a ColourPop liquid lip, one of their ultra mattes in Alyssa. It's from Kathleen Light's I think first collection that she brought out with ColourPop. It's one of her very first collections. I bought it and I still have it. I don't know, when did I get this? Like maybe like 2 to 3 years ago maybe. But it's one of my favorite shades because I like those like mauve-y tone kind of lipsticks. So this is definitely a color up my alley. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it just yet because I'm not really ready to. But it's like this pale pink. It says it's in the shade pale pink. So it looks like from the lid like it is like that pale or kind of more kind of like on this mauve-y muted pink tone. Something similar to my shirt maybe. Right here, as you guys know, I love my blush tone pinks and like mauves, so I'm really excited to try this out. This is like the first lip liner that I'm actually excited about trying, because I really don't get a lot of good colors usually in my Ipsy or BOXYCHARM, so it's always like, I don't know, not really excited about it. But yeah, that is everything in this BOXYCHARM. I'm going to insert the full price of this month's box right here, because I'm really excited about it. So that is everything. That's everything that I got. I am very happy and impressed with this month's box. I think it looks amazing. It's definitely very summer themed, so that's great. I'm very excited about it. I'm getting lip gloss all over me now because I'm touching my hands. But yeah, that's great. I'm so excited. We got lip gloss, lip liner, we got an eyeshadow palette, primer, tanning stuff, so you know, there's that. I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated and helps me out a lot. And until next time, have a beautiful and magical day, and I will see you all in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.